Hello and welcome to my channel Literary Edge. I'm your friend, teacher friend AK, and I've started this channel in order to help all the students across the classrooms. I've been teaching this subject, History of English Literature, for the past 10 years, and I found that many students find it very difficult. And I have always made an extra effort to make the students more involved and to make this paper more, little bit more friendly. And so I thought, why just stop with my classroom? And that's the reason I've started this channel. And this channel is for all those who are interested in literature, or who are students of literature, or who are going to appear for exams, net exams, competitive exams, or who just want to know about the very important literary works. And I've also tried to keep my videos short, where I just give you the juice of a literary work, so that I don't cross your attention span. And today I've decided to start with Beowulf. Beowulf, we all know, is the starting point of our History of English Literature paper. You cannot do History of English Literature without Beowulf. So I thought, let's start with this work. I have made some very important points for the same, like I referred earlier, juice. I've prepared this for you so that you will know what is very important about Beowulf. And one more thing, I also recommend the movie, which is also titled Beowulf, which is very helpful and also very interesting to watch. So, Beowulf is estimated to have been written between 8th century and 11th century AD. The only surviving manuscript for this Beowulf is Novel Codex. You heard me right, it is Novel Codex, and this is the only surviving manuscript. The author of Beowulf is unknown, as we all know, but it is guessed that it should be some Anglo-Saxon writer. And the next important point is the setting of Beowulf. Now the time setting is sometime 5th or 6th century AD, and the place setting is Scandinavia. Primarily it is Denmark and Sweden. The structure, the length and structure of Beowulf, it is a longish poem which runs to 3000 lines, 3182 lines, and it is divided into 43 sections called as feats. Then there is another important fact, information about Beowulf, that is, there are a couple of characters portrayed, like King Rodger and his nephew Hrothulf. So these characters are drawn from the real life, from the Scandinavian history, and this connects to another point here in the poem. Beowulf hails from royal lineage of Gittish. The line is Gittish line, and he is nephew of King Hygelak. So these are some of the very important facts. These might also help you in your exams. And that is all. We all know that how Beowulf he bravely fights against Grendel, the monster, and then his mother, Grendel's mother, and then the dragon, though he sadly passes away. However, the ending of Beowulf is bittersweet, because though Beowulf passes away, but he leaves a huge bounty for everyone, because he had killed the dragon who was hoarding bounty, a huge treasure. So that is all for today. And if you want to know more, because here I have just given you some highlights. If you want to learn more in detail about Beowulf, I have shared learning notes, study notes, and some posts on my website. I'm giving the description. I'm giving the website address in this in the post description. So please check and visit. And if you have any comments, feel free to post across. Thank you for listening in.